Hi there. In this guide, we will go over the product tag cleanup process. For instance, sometimes there are typos made, or you decide to rename your categories, types, or materials. This tutorial will take you through consolidating or cleaning up your categories, types, or materials. We will also touch on the topic of bulk updates and how they can be used. In this demo, we are going to consolidate all the pendant-related categories into one. To do that, first, we need to access the product module. To do so, please take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Expand the inventory menu option by clicking on it. Click on the product list menu item. To start the cleanup process, press the round action button on the left side of your screen. Click the Manage Product Categories option. We're now presented with the Product Tag Cleanup dialog. First, we need to choose the tag type. As mentioned before, in this video we will clean up the type tags. Note that in the tag value column, we see two values that essentially represent the same pendant type. To convert the tag to another one, simply click on it to reveal the drop-down options. In this example, we will change all the pendant tabs to the pendants so we won't mix them up. To do that, press the last option, which will proceed with a conversion. Once you are happy with your cleanup, click OK. Now, to quickly add types to multiple items, you will first need to select the items. You can do so by clicking the checkbox near the product. In this demo, we will change the type of all items on this page. We're going to do that by clicking the same checkbox at the top of the product list. Once done, press the round action button again and select the Edit option. In the Open dialog, we will choose the Add Types option as the action. In this demo, we will add the ring type to all of the selected items. To do that, populate the second field. Once you're happy with your selections, press OK. That's it for cleaning up the product categories as well as making the process of editing items more time efficient. Thanks for watching.